Hello everyone and welcome to the Napping Mouse. My name is Bernice and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create these wonderful beautiful charms using broken jewelry or any other things that you have around the house. If you have extra charms that you have purchased, for example, this one here is from a Bow Bunny, which I did found in a thrift store, or some broken jewelry, like for example, this here is all from broken jewelry, and I've got some here. But also you can take a look. This was an earring, but I just love the stone on it, so I decided to combine it with the old and the new here. So yes, that's what we'll be creating today. Okay, grab your favorite drink and let's get crafting. Okay, folks, so the supplies that you're going to be needing are some type of broken jewelry. I've got some here, some jump rings like this here. You'll find a lot of these in broken jewelry, so that's easy to do. Some type of bowl pins. I'm using quilter's pins because I actually cannot find my bowl pins, but some type of bowl pins will work. Also, if you have some kind of chains, that will work as well. And then some pliers for your jewelry here, and also some charms. Now I'm going to use the Tim Holtz Ideology one. It's called Type Tags. I'll be using that one. And also I've got this one here from Bow Bunny. Now, this I bought. I don't have this on my shop or anything like that, but this is an idea that you can use for this. Okay. All right, let's get started. If you were interested in this is the Trinkets, and that's all it says is Trinkets embellishment. Autumn Song Trinkets, and there's the item number right there. So if you're interested, yeah, take a look at that. I've got some. You probably will find some in like Etsy shop or eBay or something like that. But getting back now, as I was looking through more of my charms, I found this and I just thought this was really cool. This is just a simple earring here. So all I needed to do is I could actually clip this on directly to there, or I could remove the clasp here and then just add more jump rings to it, or even add like mix and match with this and have it dangle, or just leave it. I don't know, I just like it like that. And then I found some of my broken jewelry right here as well, more chains, more everything. So maybe I'm gonna add, let's see if I can add. Oh, and I also found this little cute hat. I thought it was adorable. So let's see if we can add the hat. And I'm like, oh my god, I have it. Unbelievable. So I can add it to the back here. Okay, I just think that that's going to be really adorable. And let me get my pin, my safety pin here. All right, there we go. Now let's close this guy up before, come on. All right, let's hold that all together and let's see if I could push it with my hand. This is a pretty strong jump ring, which to work with may be a little problem, but it, you know, it's going to stay. It's not going to like move. You need some strong hands for this one here. Okay, perfect. Perfect. So there's my third one right there. And now for my last one. I was going to use this, but maybe if I just put these two together, I can do this. What do you think of that? That's interesting. Or I do have these longer ones from the Tim Holtz collection. Keep room in your heart for the unimaginable. Ah, there we go. That's perfect. And let's see, is that too much? I don't know, but I really like this one, so I'm going to use this one. Sorry for my cat Mila. She is very, very curious, okay, to say the least. To say the least. Oh, well, that, these two will go well together. I think that will match better than the other one. The only concern that I have is that this opens up extremely easily, and I don't want that. So I think I need to take this off, and I'm gonna add a jump ring to this because I really wanted to use this. The colors is going to match perfectly with the, oh, come on, with my album. And folks, if you do like what you see, consider subscribing to my channel. Almost done with this particular series with the journal, and I'm having a lot of fun creating it as well. There we go. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that'll be trash. And that, I'm trying to take that out, but I can't. So let me get a jump ring. Okay, so I'm back, and I actually found another earring, which this was the whole idea, was to put something like that. But I mean, just so you know, that you've got options here. And so I got my jump ring here, and I got this guy here. Let's put you through. Okay, let's get Jet through there. Does move. Okay, let's see. Are we going to add this to it? Yeah, I think that's going to look nice. Okay, and then let me add, well, I was going to use the chain method, so I'm going to use this. Let's go ahead and hook this on to it, but you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so we're going to close this guy up. Sometimes it's easier to use your hands. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to close this guy up, and this is already hooked to the chain, so I'm not worried about it loosening up or leaving. It's just that I'm going to need another jump ring to close it. Okay, so we've got all this here, and I'm going to set this whole thing aside. Now we're going to take what we created, and we're going to add it to our, excuse me, the album. I will get the album. Let me set this aside. Now, one thing that's easy to do is when you're working with the album and you already have your eyelets done, it's actually easier to work with the book standing up, okay? So now the only decision you have is where are you going to put your accessories, okay? Now, even if you use the bulb ring or the bulb pin, it'll still work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this here, and that'll just stick out a little bit. And so, and consider which side of the page. Like, look how awesome this charm goes with this page right here. I mean, it's just, I love it. I love the way it turned out. Now, this one I added to the very bottom. So let's see, I've got this guy here. And you know what? Should I do it here? Should I do it? That's going to add a lot of interest there. But should I put this here? Or should I do this? Oh, this guy came out. You're not supposed to come out. You're supposed to stay in there. Here's another one that I just found, and this was a bracelet that, you know, not really my style, but look, it has a lot of sayings in it. So just like the one from Tim Holtz, you can actually find some jewelry, or at least I had that, so I thought that was pretty cool. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it through here, okay, and then carefully I'm gonna, oh, maybe I should do it. Okay, so carefully I'm gonna put it through here, the other side, so it can stay, and I'm going to attach it with my jump ring here, okay? So you'll see what I'm doing. Actually, let me take this off, and I will tighten it up just a little bit. And let's put this jump ring in. I hope you guys can see this, because this is going to turn out so awesome. Okay, let's see. I don't want this to come apart. There we go. There we go. And look, folks, let me show it to you this way. Oops. Look how nice that looks. And it's just a chain dangling over there. Old earrings and a new thing. So yes, and this made all the difference. Look how nice that looks even on the other side. It looks really cool. So now with these two, what I want to do is add them to tags, because don't forget your tags. They will make like really good one. Or here's another idea. You know how I've added some lace to it? You can't even pin this to your lace if you choose to do so. Okay, I'm trying to get it through here, but I mean, look how adorable that would look too, like an extra added thing here. But I'm going to add this to the tag that we've created, and I'll have that link up above. But look how adorable this would look. Like, I'm just going to even put it throughout this whole thing. Okay, and just, oh, look at that. And even with the little hat and all. Oh, okay, so I don't know how you feel about it, but I really, really liked it. I think it's it adds just more charm to it. No pun intended. Okay, so now I've got this last one here, and I wanted to add it. Should I, this, oh, yes, look, 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 look. Oh, that would look cute. Okay, actually, with this one, I think I'm just going to add a ball pin. It'll be, it would be easier to attach and detach too, because you don't have to keep it on the tag. You can actually move these around as well when you do have the ball pin. It just makes it easier. So yeah, I'm trying to make sure that this is touching each other on the tip. And yes, and let's go. Oh, and this particular tag does have, it does have, what do you call it? The lace, but I'm not even gonna put it through the eyelet. I'm putting it through the underside of the lace, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Like, I just put it on the other side. There we go. Oh, look how nice that looks, love, and it just matched with everything. And oh, I love it. I love it. I just think it's just so adorable. Okay, folks, well, that is it for the video. So if you did like it, please give me a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to my channel. I will see you in the next video, okay? And you have a great day. Until next time, bye-bye.